Hey guys, it's Kay. Today I'm doing an unboxing of the Rode VideoMicro and then finishing off with a sound test. Okay, so it comes attractively packed with the Rode VideoMicro emblem on the front. On the side, it tells us we've got a 2-year warranty, we don't need an external battery, it's got a compact size, and we've got the Rycote Lyre suspension mount included. Okay, so let's get in the box. First thing out of the box is the warranty and the mic itself with the dead cat attached. This helps with the wind noise. And it seems very well made, you're not going to lose any hairs. And here's the Rycote suspension mount. Now this helps with any noise associated with movement. Acts like a kind of spring dampening out the movement noise. And here's the hot shoe adapter. And here's the 3.5mm dual mono output cable. This gives you ample reach when stretched. Okay, let's take a look at the mic. The microphone body is made from aluminium. This shields it from interference, and it's finished in Rode's high-grade ceramic anti-glare black coating. And putting it together is fairly straightforward. The windshield slides on, plug in the 3.5mm cable, and just slide on the Rycote mount, and we're ready to test. So this is everything that comes in the box. Now I'm going to do a quick sound test. I'm going to show you 2 clips with sound, one clip with the inbuilt camera microphone, and one clip with this Rode VideoMicro. What's up guys, it's Kay from TechFigure, and my favourite tech device of 2018. Hey guys, it's Kay from TechFigure. Now my favourite tech from 2018. I think we can all say the Rode Micro does a great job. And if you're interested in purchasing the Rode Micro, I've left a link in the description below. Overall, it's difficult to think of anything better for the price. So guys, if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing and leave us a like.